Are you looking for an amazing best home theater projector for your next DIY project? That's great! So, let's begin. Number 1. Most popular. Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB 4K. A new type of 4K home theater experience utilizing advanced processing for resolution enhancement, color and image processing, resulting in an exceptional 4K home theater experience. Advanced 3 LCD technology displays 100% of the RGB color signal for every frame. This allows for an outstanding color gamut while maintaining excellent brightness. Advanced pixel shifting processor precisely controls 3 high-definition LCD chips to parallel process millions of pixels of information, accepting 100% of the HDR source information to faithfully reproduce HDR content for an exceptional visual performance. Real-time 12-bit analog to digital video processing for smooth tonal transitions, while helping to eliminate banding, blocking, and other compression artifacts from the final visual performance. Number 2. BenQ TK700 STI 4K HDR Gaming Projector. TK700 STI possesses short throw capabilities able to project at shorter distances. Low latency 16 ms at 4K 60Hz, low input lag, game mode, game sound mode to fine-tune audio and images. Compatible with major consoles, Sony PS5, Nintendo Switch, and Xbox Series X, Google Stadia, huge, bright, sharp images, and equalized audio. 1.2 arc zoom, flexible throw distances, 2D auto vertical keystone, picture rotation adjustment for squared images. Google certified Android TV and Google Play Store, with 5,000 plus of the latest Android apps, movies, shows, live sports, games, music, and more. TK700 STI brings 4K big screen gaming to your home. Experience input lag as low as 16 ms without compromising 4K HDR images. Number 3. BenQ HT 2050A 1080p Home Theater Projector. Superb big screen audio-visual experience. BenQ HT 2050A projector brings big screen full HD visuals to your living room, with 96% rec. 709 accuracy for authentic cinematic color, and short throw for 100 pictures from just 2.5 away without setup hassle. Offering Cinema Master Audio Plus 2 for immersive AV experiences. HT 2050A's ultra-low input lag and special game mode enable epic gaming. 1080p projector with brightness of 2200 lumens, high native contrast ratio, and 96% rec. 709 color accuracy calibration. The specialized low input lag of 16 ms and unique game modes ensure gamers an ultra-smooth gaming experience. Take the action to the big screen by projecting a 100-inch screen from just 8 feet away. Projects up to 300 inches. Supports most media players, gaming consoles, PCs, Macs, and mobile devices with input options such as HDMI, USB, and more. Number 4. Samsung 120 The Premiere Ultra Short. Bring the big theater screen experience home with the Premiere 120 laser projector. Enjoy cinematic picture quality from 4K UHD ultra bright laser and 4K resolution with 2200 lumens. Access your favorite apps, streaming services, and smart home devices right from your projector. With short throw technology, you can place this compact 4K projector inches from the wall, turning any room into a home cinema. Elevate your home theater with audio from the mighty subwoofer and 30W speakers in this too. Number 5. Verratek Lumavision Pro Mini Projector. This 1080p HD portable projector is specially made to enhance your entertainment experience with 1920 1080p native resolution, 6000 lumens image brightness, and a contrast ratio of 3500:1. With the projection display up to 250, you will be amazed by how much more exciting movies and sports programs become in large format. Take this outdoor projector with you easily whenever you might go because it has a dimension of 242x 196x 95 cm. Bring your warm weather outdoor party with friends and family to the next level. This home theater projector can deliver a theater-like experience with its 1080p HD resolution and up to 250 projection size.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.